Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In a very exciting development, Canopy Labs, the company behind Orpheus TTS, the model which we have covered extensively on the channel in the last few days, have just released multilingual models for French, for Korean, for Chinese, German and Hindi, and in this video we are going to install them locally and we will see how they perform. If you don't know what Orpheus TTS is, it is one of the most performant models of this month, I would say. It is a llama based speech LLM that has been designed for high quality, empathetic text to speech generation, and it is Apache 2 license. It can do zero shot voice cloning. Plus, you can also do some guided emotion and intonation, and we have covered all of these features in these videos in the last few days, as you can see on your screen. So feel free to check it out, including the fine tuning. But for the purpose of this, let's go and install this multilingual one. First, I'm just going to go with this Hindi language, and the interesting thing is that they not only have introduced the fine-tuned versions but also the pre-trained base model, so that you can fine-tune them for your own use case. And if you want to know how to fine-tune them, simply search my channel. I already have done heaps of videos on just Orpheus, very targeted as how to fine-tune this model. Okay, so before I show you the installation and we play around with it, let me give a huge shout out to Massed Compute, who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, you can find the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. This is my Ubuntu system, this is my GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Let's start by creating a virtual environment. And now let's git clone the repo of Orpheus TTS. And now we are going to install this Orpheus speech package, which is based on VLLM. But because VLLM is slightly buggy in this version, so we also need to install the 0.7.3 version of VLLM after Orpheus speech. And this is going to take a minute or so. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And both of them are done. Let's launch our Hugging Face CLI in order to log into Hugging Face, because it's a gated model. So you would need to grab your free read token from huggingface.co and log in to Hugging Face website. And okay, so my token has expired, it seems. Let me grab my new token. And with new token, it is successful. Let's launch our Jupyter notebook. And now let's download our model. So as you can see, I'm just going to go with this Hindi fine-tuned one first. And the model is being downloaded. And the first time when you download it, it takes a bit of a time. And if you're wondering about this output, so you see it has downloaded a lot of configuration of files here and components like weights. And then it detected the CUDA platform for acceleration and also downcasted certain data types for performance. So this model is primarily a text-to-speech model with a default configuration. And then if you scroll down, there is slightly new thing which is capturing the CUDA graph shapes here. So this is a step that optimizes the process for static models. The caution is advised here because there could be some out of memory errors. But I think for me it should be good, and because I have 48 GB of VRAM, but I will also show you the VRAM consumption once we run this model. And for running, all I'm going to do, I'm just going to provide it this Hindi prompt, and this is what it translates it into English. It is just a couple of lines around peace of mind, that it is like a calm ocean beneath a clear sky. It's the feeling you get when your worries drift away and your heart feels light and all that stuff. So I have just translated it, I have put it there, and then I am generating the audio from this, saving it in this output wave file, and then we will see how it works. So let me run this. Okay, so the audio has been generated as you can see here. Let me play it in the browser.
तारिश मानसिक शांति एक स्पष्ट आकाश के नीचे शांत महासागर की तरह है। ये वो अनुभूति है जब आपकी चिंताएं दूर हो जाती हैं और आपका दिल हल्का लगता है। उन क्षणों में सब कुछ स्पष्ट होता है और जीवन थोड़ा सा सरल लगता है।
And that was pretty good. Now every language comes with different voices and different emotions because, as I mentioned earlier, it's quite an empathetic model which we saw in other videos too. You can also depict the emotions like coughing, groaning, resoplido, which is a Spanish word, giggling, and chuckling. So let's see if it is able to do that. And I have just given it this voice name. I'm not sure what that translates to, but it was on the repo, so I'm just trying it out. So let me run this. And while it runs, let's also check VRAM consumption. Yes, as was expected, it is quite high. It is over 43 gig of VRAM because, as I said, we are doing CUDA graphs, and it seems it takes more space with the multilingual one. The model is just 3 billion in size. Anyway, let's go back. Okay, it has created the audio. Let me play that.
कि शांति का अनुभव होता है। हल्की हवा सांत्वना के रस से फुसफुसाती है, जिससे हल्की सी असाध्य डूबने पर व्यक्त स्वर्णिम रंगों की आभा में एक गहरी रात की सांस निकलती है। इस सुंदरता पर
Okay, so for the Hindi voice, there is no emotions support at the moment, and to be fair to Orpheus, they have mentioned it in their model card. Anyway, let's try out now. Maybe we will go with Spanish. So I'm just going to download the Spanish model here, and that I'll just do it in front of you so you see these are the ones. So we have this Spanish instruction tuned, fine tuned, we have French, we have German. So I'm just going to go with this Spanish version. There is also base one, if you just scroll down below, there you go. Okay, but I'm just going to go with this one, and this is a model card where I need to accept the terms and conditions. So let me do it in my login. Okay, so that's done. I'll just grab this model, and then I'll just go up, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to paste it here. And just to make sure everything is good, I'm just going to restart my kernel, and then let's download this again. And the model is being downloaded, so let's wait. So the model is downloaded. Let me scroll down, and it takes a bit of a time, by the way, to get it downloaded. Okay, so as it is Spanish, so I'm just going to go with the Spanish prompt, and this is the Spanish prompt which I'm going to use. This is just a few lines with some of the emotions in Spanish. And let me first format it. Sorry, I just need to make sure that you can read it too. And this is the English translation, and it is just in the serene embrace of nature. There is a deep sense of peace and all that stuff. And if you look at the prompt, it also shows some of the emotions like chuckling, gasping, and then giggling, and then this respirado, which I believe sort of a sigh of relief, a French Spanish expression. Okay, let me also change this voice to a Spanish one, and I'm going to go with Maria's voice, and that's it. So let me run this. Okay, so that is done. Let me play it in the browser.
Hay un profundo sentido de paz. La suave brisa susurra secretos de tranquilidad, provocando un suave al atardecer, proyectando tonos dorados sobre el horizonte. Se escapa un profundo mientras
And that's it. I think that is the limit of it. Around 14 seconds. My paragraph was a bit longer, but one mistake we all noticed that it is not Maria. I think maybe they have some mistake there or something. So, but they have some male voices too. Sergio and Javi and few others. So you can also check it out. But anyway, other than that, I think the checkling and other stuff was quite good. Anyway, as I said, there are other languages too, and I'm sure this list is going to grow more, and I will cover more videos on it too, because we still have Chinese, Korean, French, and German. So let me know what do you think about this multilingual release from Orpheus. I'm very impressed by it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you are already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.